Are you a beginner in your weight loss journey and you don't know where to start? Well, in this video I talk about 7 natural weight loss tips that beginners should follow. So watch this video till the end. Hello everybody and Namaste. I am Sneha Devre, your health and wellness coach, and I welcome you to my channel Anaahat Health and Wellness. In today's video, we will talk about 7 natural weight loss tips that beginners should follow. So if you are someone who is new on your weight loss journey, this video is for you. Here's something intriguing for all the beginners on a weight loss journey. Shedding those extra pounds or kilos needn't be a complicated procedure. You need to take small yet effective steps like meal prepping, making nutritious choices in your diet, and trying to achieve a calorie deficit without starving yourself. So in this video, we talk about 7 natural weight loss tips for beginners which you can start with. If you've been having a tough time figuring out how to really bring down your weight, then watch this video till the end. The first and most important is make your food plan a day before. So practicing meal prepping is being considered to be an effective tip for following a healthy and balanced diet. Ideally, it is done by planning a week's meal in advance. But if that seems difficult, amidst all the struggles of losing weight as a beginner, then simply plan your next day's meal a day in advance. Secondly, focus on proteins and fats for breakfast and your snacks. Proteins are the building blocks of the human body, whereas fats are needed to fill you up and also to make you feel energized. Ensure that you include these 2 food groups in your in-between meal snacks and breakfast. Third, for lunch and dinner, fill half of your plate with vegetables. Veggies are rich in fiber and all the essential nutrients that are needed for good health. A simple formula to follow this is fill up half of your plate with veggies. It will add more volume to your meals, making them more filling in nature. Next, for carbs, think which ones are more satisfying. The idea is to not give up on carbs entirely. After all, they are the main source of energy. Lentils, legumes, fruits, vegetables, brown rice, quinoa, wheat, oats, all of these are rich sources of healthy carbs. Choose your carbs wisely and do practice portion control. Create a small calorie deficit. During the first few days or even weeks, focus on creating only a small calorie deficit. Don't be too ambitious in the beginning and create goals that are more achievable for you. Learn your hunger and fullness cues. Take note of the times when you feel most hungry. Stock up on the foods which satisfy you at those times. Foods that make you feel full are going to be the best picks. Nuts, seeds, ghee roasted makhanas, roasted black chanas, Greek yogurt, home-set curd are all good options for your hunger pangs. Find healthy outlets for processing your emotions. Go for a walk, take up cycling, swimming, jogging or running, or simply meet a friend. Process your emotions anywhere but food, and it will keep you from binge eating comfort food. Along with these diet tips, make sure that you are physically active throughout the day and are also regular in exercising. Good sleep, less stress, no alcohol and smoking are other important to-dos of an effective weight loss plan. Do try these tips and share your experience with us. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Until my next video, thank you and Namaste.